What if I told you the next iPhone may not have a screen? What if Apple's next device isn't a phone, not a watch, not even glasses, but a bracelet that projects holograms in the air? This is not science fiction. This is Apple's future. Today, we're diving deep into the Apple Holographic Smart Bracelet, a device that could change how humans interact with technology forever. Apple has always been known for redefining technology. From the iPhone to the Apple Watch, and recently the Vision Pro, Apple doesn't just follow trends, it creates them. Now, tech insiders and concept designers are talking about a revolutionary idea: Apple Holographic Smart Bracelet. A wearable that has no physical screen, projects a 3D holographic interface, uses AI, gestures, and voice, and could potentially replace smartphones. In this video, we'll cover what this bracelet actually is, how holographic technology works, all possible features, health, AI, and productivity benefits, how it compares to iPhone and Apple Watch, and whether this could be the future of Apple devices. So make sure to watch till the end, because things get really interesting. The Apple Holographic Smart Bracelet is a wrist-worn, wearable device designed to project a floating, holographic display above your arm. Instead of touching a screen, you see apps in the air. You control them with gestures. You talk to Siri AI naturally. Think of it as iPhone, Apple Watch, AR glasses, all combined into one minimal bracelet. The bracelet itself would look simple and elegant, but once activated, it becomes a powerful holographic computer. Let's talk about the most exciting part: the hologram. How it works concept. Tiny projectors inside the bracelet, advanced light field and laser projection, AI-powered depth sensing, creates a 3D interactive interface in mid-air. You could see floating app icons, a holographic keyboard, maps hovering above your wrist, notifications appearing like magic. Why this is revolutionary. No physical screen, no scratches or cracks, bigger display than a phone, fully adjustable size and position. This is next-level interaction, not just an upgrade. Now imagine controlling all of this without touching anything. Gesture controls. Swipe in the air to change apps. Pinch fingers to zoom. Tap midair to select. Rotate wrist to scroll. Apple already uses gesture tracking in Vision Pro, so this is very realistic. Benefits. Hygienic, no touching screens. Perfect for multitasking. Extremely futuristic feel. This makes the bracelet ideal for work, fitness, navigation, smart home control. This device would be powered by Apple Intelligence. Advanced Siri AI. More conversational, learns your habits, predicts your needs. Examples: Siri, show my schedule. Reply to this message. Navigate me home. Track my workout. The hologram responds instantly, making it feel like you're talking to the future. Health is Apple's biggest focus, and this bracelet would be no exception. Possible sensors: heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen SpO2, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, body temperature, advanced motion tracking. Future health tech: non-invasive glucose monitoring rumored, AI-powered health alerts, real-time holographic fitness stats. Imagine seeing your heart rate floating in front of you while jogging. Insane. You might wonder, holograms use power, right? Apple would likely use ultra-efficient processors, smart AI power management, low-energy projection tech, charging, magnetic wireless charging, fast top-up, possibly solar or motion-assisted charging, future concept. Goal: all-day battery life, minimum. Apple is known for privacy, and this device would take it further. Security features: biometric wrist recognition, encrypted holographic data, Apple ID authentication, secure cloud sync. Your hologram would only be visible to you, not everyone around you. This is the big question: why it could. Calls, messages, apps, all supported. Bigger holographic display. Hands-free usage. Always accessible on wrist. Why it might not yet. Typing still easier on phone. Some apps need physical screens. Early tech limitations. But in the future? Yes, this could replace smartphones. Daily life. Check messages while walking. Navigate maps hands-free. Control music and calls. Work. Holographic presentations. Virtual meetings. Productivity tools. Fitness. Live workout stats. Coaching AI. Health tracking. This bracelet isn't a gadget, it's a lifestyle device. If Apple launches this, other brands will follow. Screens may disappear. Human tech interaction will change. This could be the end of smartphones. At the beginning of holographic computing, the Apple Holographic Smart Bracelet is not just a concept, it's a vision of the future. A future where technology is invisible, interaction is natural, and screens no longer control us. Would you wear this instead of a phone? If you enjoyed this deep dive, like the video, comment your thoughts. I subscribe for more future tech and Apple innovations. The future is closer than you think.